every year, just before June, Apple releases some sort of Pride watch band, matching watch face, and matching iPhone wallpaper. Well, I have the 2023 version of the watch band right here, and I'm going to walk you through an unboxing real quick, because why not, of the watch band, as well as show you how to get the watch face even if you don't buy the band for your Apple Watch, and also where to find the wallpaper. I'm Jason Cipriani. Thanks for watching this ZDNET video. All right, so let's cut open the box here. Set that aside. All right, so here's what the band looks like. It has a bunch of dots, lines on it. Each one of these are supposed to represent a different underrepresented community. And this is the 45 millimeter watch band Pride Edition. It's a small, large. It's the sports band. If you have an Apple Watch and have a sports band, you know what material this uses already. So let's open it up. All right. Not bad, huh? Looks pretty nice, actually. So each band, is different. The dots are not the same. It's not identical on two different bands. I'm gonna go ahead and switch this out real quick. The 45 millimeter is compatible with the Apple Watch Ultra. All right, so there we go. That's better. See what the band looks like on. Not bad. I dig it. Looks pretty cool, actually. All right, so the watch face that matches it, as well as the watch band or the wallpaper. You have a couple different options. Like I said, even if you don't have the watch band itself. If you do have the watch band, you'll see that there is an app clip on the inside of the packaging here for an easy way to download. In the past, you actually had to download and install the watch face as a special edition watch face. And primarily it was for people who did buy the band itself, but you could do it if you didn't buy the band. So what you do for any sort of app clip is you can scan the QR code using your camera. And then it brings up a cool little menu. You'll tap View. And then it asks you if you want to add Pride Celebration watch face to your faces. So I'll add to my faces. However, if you don't have the watch band itself, you can get the watch face by installing watchOS 9.5 on your Apple Watch and iOS 16.5 on your iPhone. You need to have both software updates installed in order for it to show up. And where it'll show up is if you go into the Apple Watch app on your iPhone, and then you go to Face Gallery, New Watch Faces, top category, you'll see Pride Celebration right there. And you also see some cool options here. You can do it with a white background, a black background, or you can add in like the hour marks. You could have the numerals, take the color scheme of the little dots or the line sprinkles or whatever you want to call them on here, and then as well as adjust any complications. So I actually already added it. Looks pretty cool. I'm a fan. I'm done there. But if I want to do my wallpaper, what I need to do is go into Settings, Wallpaper, add a new wallpaper, wait for these to load. And then scroll over under Feature to Pride. And that is this year's matching wallpaper. So now I have a Pride wallpaper pair. on my iPhone, which looks great. That matches the new Pride band on the Apple Watch. I'm Jason Cipriani. Thanks for watching this unboxing and slight how-to video. Check out more tech tips, news, and reviews at ZDNET.com.